Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most powerful concepts of object-oriented programming, which is polymorphism in Java. In this session, you will clearly understand what polymorphism is, why it is important, its types, and how to implement it using real Java code examples. So if you are a Java beginner, student, or interview aspirant, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started. Here is what we will cover in today's session. Meaning of polymorphism, real-world examples, types of polymorphism, compile-time polymorphism, runtime polymorphism, method overloading, method overriding, code examples, interview questions. By the end of this video, you will completely master polymorphism. What is polymorphism? So first, what exactly is polymorphism? Polymorphism means one object behaving in multiple forms. In simple terms, one interface, many behaviors. For example, a person can be a father at home, an employee at office, and a customer in a shop. Same person but different roles. This is polymorphism in real life. Let us take another real world example. Animals make sounds. Dog barks, cat meows, cow moves. All are animals, but sound behavior is different. So when we call the same method sound, we get different outputs. This concept is exactly what polymorphism represents in Java. Why polymorphism is important? Now let us understand why polymorphism is important. Polymorphism helps to write flexible code, reduce code duplication, improve scalability, enable dynamic behavior, support loose coupling. This makes our application easy to extend and maintain. That is why polymorphism is heavily used in enterprise Java applications and frameworks like Spring Boot. Types of polymorphism. Java supports two types of polymorphism. One, compile time polymorphism, achieved using method overloading. Two, runtime polymorphism, achieved using method overriding. Now let us understand each one clearly with examples. Compile time polymorphism. What is compile time polymorphism? Compile time polymorphism means the method call is resolved during compilation itself. This is achieved using method overloading. The compiler decides which method to call based on parameters. This is also called early binding. What is method overloading? Method overloading means multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. Parameters can differ by number of parameters, data type of parameters. This improves code readability and simplicity. Method overloading example. Here we have a calculator class. We have multiple add methods. One adds two numbers, another adds three numbers. Both have the same name but different parameters. This is method overloading and it represents compile time polymorphism. The compiler automatically selects the correct method. Some important points. Happens in the same class, faster execution, no inheritance required, resolved at compile time. So compile time polymorphism is efficient and simple. What is runtime polymorphism? Runtime polymorphism means method call is resolved at runtime, not at compile time. It is achieved using inheritance method overriding. This is also called late binding or dynamic binding. What is method overriding? Method overriding means a subclass provides its own implementation of a method defined in its parent class. The method must have same name, same parameters, same return type. Inheritance is mandatory. Method overriding example. Here we have an animal class with a sound method. Then we have a dog class that overrides the sound method. Now dog provides its own implementation, so the same method behaves differently. This is runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism example. Now look at this line. Animal A equal to new dog. Even though reference type is animal, the object is dog. So when we call a.sound, the dog version executes. This decision is taken at runtime, hence runtime polymorphism. Compile time versus runtime. Let us compare both. Compile time. Overloading, fast, early binding. Runtime. Overriding, flexible, late binding. Both play an important role in Java programming. Real world project example. Let us take a payment system example. We create an interface payment, then classes like Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm all implement pay method differently. This is perfect real world polymorphism usage. Polymorphism in Spring and microservices. Polymorphism is heavily used in Spring controllers, service interfaces, REST APIs, design patterns. This allows us to write loosely coupled, scalable, and clean architecture code. Common interview questions. Some common interview questions. What is polymorphism? Difference between method overloading and overriding. Can static methods be overridden? Why runtime polymorphism is powerful? Mastering today's lesson will help you crack these easily. Summary. Polymorphism means one object, many behaviors. Two types, compile time, overloading, runtime, overriding. It makes our application flexible, scalable, and maintainable. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Happy coding.